OMG. Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we are going to talk about the markets. It is so beautiful. The markets looks so beautiful, guys. I know some of you guys are gonna look and or just say to yourself, what is this what is this guy talking about? What do you mean the market looks so beautiful? What are you talking about, bro? The market is down. Yes, I know it is down. I know. That's what we love. Traders, we love this. It's so beautiful, guys. This is music to my ears because the volatility, right? If you understand, if you specialize in this stuff, the volatility will give you so much money. I love this stuff. The only people that, the people that are crying right now are the guys that don't understand how to read the charts, and the guys that are moon boys, right? And buy and hold guys. Okay, those are guys that don't want to look at the chart. So we're gonna look at the charts. We're gonna look at Bitcoin. We're gonna look at the stock market real quick. Try not to make this, a long video, but I hope you guys can hear me. Let me see if you guys can hear me. Yes. What's going on, guys? What's going on, Leslie? What's going on, Troy? Lawners, what's going on, bro? All right, so let's go. All right. Shout out to everybody that's coming in the building real quick. Now, let's go to, let me see. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. Everything almost pretty much down double digits, guys. All right. Bitcoin dominance is actually going up, 65.1. Everything is dropping. Okay. Now, we talked about this. Go look at my last video, okay? Look at the 3-minute mark. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. During this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. If you're watching that replay, you can actually go to settings, hit 1.5 or 2 to actually speed up the replay, turn a half an hour video into a 15-minute video. If you don't understand how to make money during these bear markets and why I love it and how I specialize in this and make money every single day, or almost every single day, I can't say every single day, but almost every single day in these markets, go to the description and I have a training course for you, okay? Go check that out. I'll show you guys how to swing trade and day trade. Now, and that's any market too. It doesn't matter if it's crypto or futures. But I specialize in day trading futures, okay? Guys, listen. Okay, right now, I actually my last video, go to the 3-minute markers around there. I said, guys, listen, when the market was down like here, okay, well, you see how we broke this, right? I said, this doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. All right. And I said there's a strong possibility that they're going to wipe these guys out right here. Okay. There's a strong possibility. And I told you guys what I told you guys before. I also told you guys that I like this breakout right here. Okay. But I also told you guys that the breakout, just because I like this breakout, that doesn't mean that this is the bottom. This could be a temporary bottom, guys. Remember what I said? So most of you guys, guys, you have to understand the market. Now, we went up, right? And I told you guys, we have resistance, we have walls, we have a possibility, right? Where, we might find resistance at this spot right here, especially at 10,000 level. We have this spot right here and this spot, okay? Plain and simple, guys. I told you guys. No, guys, the halving is coming. There's no way. It has to go up. Listen, so we went up. I told you guys, even if buyers coming in at this trend line, guys, there's a strong possibility we might find resistance right here, okay? We didn't even go up back to the breakout. It was so weak, okay? I woke up this morning. I didn't even know about BTC. I was concerned about my market, which is the NASDAQ. I saw the NASDAQ dropping. Okay, we got halted. We talked about that later. And then next thing you know, I'm looking at BTC. I'm like, yikes. So, what I'm looking at here, guys, is basically a drop. Most likely, we're going to continue to go down. Yes, we might get a bounce maybe around here because it's around that 5,000, 6,000 mark. So, yeah, we might get a little bounce here, okay? But we might most likely continue to go all the way back down, all right? Again, guys, again. I don't know how many times I got to tell you guys, Bitcoin is not the main coin you want to look at, guys. Bitcoin is a distraction. How many times? I told you guys, most of you guys that have been calling this bull market, I said, guys, we are not in a bull market. We are in a bear market. Why? Okay, let's look at it. Okay, let's look at regular coins. Okay, actually, let's go to Litecoin first, all right? Litecoin, if you zoom out, guys, zoom out. Okay, I was just talking about this, guys. Listen, if you zoom out, you can tell that this is not a bull market. The pop was here. We sold off. Guys, we never even retraced, at least 50% of this whole move right here, okay? Litecoin is not showing any type of bullish sign, all right? Only coin that was looking bullish was Bitcoin. Now, we have XRP, or RRP, okay? XRP, okay? This is absolutely amazing. And I remember a long time ago when I told you guys that I can definitely see XRP at 10 cents, 9 cents. We hit what, 14 cents today? What we hit? 14, yeah. I can guarantee most of you guys didn't believe it'll never hit 14 cents, right? Guys, this is a bubble. Look at the chart. I want you guys to look at the chart, okay? Forget about being a moon boy or not. I just want you guys to look at this chart. This chart this looks like a bubble that popped and is most likely going to do something like this. I'm going to show you, okay? It's going to go like this. It's going to flatline. That's it. That's what these bubbles do. It was a nice ride. Nice, crazy gains, but that's it. If you knew how to read the chart, you could have just got out, right? You should have got out. Now, most of these coins gonna, like I said, XRP, I believe, is going to go to single digits. Most of your moon boys most of you guys are still buying this coin. I don't know why. I mean, I basically made a part 4, right? A part 4 XRP. I told you XRP community to get out of this, right? I made a part 4. And I stopped making them because it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I say. Most of you guys are not going to listen anyway. You're going to keep on buying these coins. So let's go to some questions real quick, and we're going to look at the stock market too. I'm going to basically Laurenus says, boom, as you said it. What's going on, bro? The market is treating me great today. Yeah, man, I love the market, bro. This is like, if I had to, 1 through 10, this is a 10 right here. I love it. Troy, man, you are speaking so much truth, man. Shout out to you, bro. I'm trying to help you guys out. We on this show we do make fun of moon boys, but all jokes aside, guys, listen, you just have to read the chart. That's it. Guys, I can guarantee you that most XRP dudes right now want to hear the news. They want to hear the news. Even though the news, right? The news is not going to get them out of this mess. They still want to hear it. They still want to hear the news. Let's go back to some questions. Guys, let me see here. Oil, yeah, I'll look at oil later. Can you see me the Discord link? I need it. What do you mean the Discord link? You have the Discord link, Leslie Savage. You have it already. You in a room. What happened to the one you had before? Leslie Savage, what happened to the one you had before? Troy said I expect a bounce from here, so I'll be buying some of these coins for cheap. Let me see here. Airline stocks, yeah, airline stocks is getting smacked. Still, a few believe that XRP hit $1. Crazy. My buddy took a mortgage out to buy Tesla. Sheesh. tough. And not only that, guys, you know, a lot of people took mortgage out to buy a Bitcoin too. You changed your phone and you lost your password. Long story. You said, just let me know. You said you email me. Okay, no problem. All right, so let me see here. Let's go back. All right, guys. So let's look at Ethereum. And I told you guys the altcoins are leading indicators. Remember I told you guys that? So since these altcoins was looking so weak, I said, guys, listen, Bitcoin most likely is going to roll over too. And not only roll over, it's most likely going to wipe out that 3K bottom. Okay? You know, it's just what it is. Like I said, I told you guys, I believe that it's not going to do it, you know, in one shot. Of course, it's going to take time, but it is what it is, guys. I told you guys a long time ago, I believe that we're going to probably be in a 5 to 8 year bear market. Let me see here. Let me see read some more questions here. All right, so let's go to the stock market, guys, and then we're gonna go back to crypto. So stock market was halted again. It's dropping back, so most likely we're gonna continue to make new lows. Donald Trump actually had a meeting, not a meeting, but a live thing yesterday. He went live yesterday and he went live today, and the market still dropped. So we have that, and then we have the NBA shutting down. You know, because everybody's, you know, scared of the corona. One of the NBA players got corona virus, so, you know, things are going to hit hard. And what I'm noticing is these big corporations are getting hit too. So they guys are going to lose billions of dollars. So if these guys lose billions of dollars, guess what? I don't really see the market really recovering from that. Okay, even if we do a bounce, man, you know, the market has to, in my opinion, it's probably going to continue to go lower. Okay, this is the first stop right here. This is my first stop right here, the market, and this is the second stop right here. Okay, if we can get all the way down here, whew, I mean, that's, you know, but yeah, you know, it's a strong possibility that this market will continue to basically, you know, drop because, guys, I think this is like literally the beginning. And the market really didn't hardly priced in a lot of stuff. Okay, hardly priced in a lot of stuff. But let's see what you guys talking about. All right, so guys, actually, give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Of course, my daughter's acting up. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, be right back. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Yep. I'm back. All right, so that's what I'm looking at when it comes to, you know, the stock market. Basically, it most likely we will continue to go lower. We most likely we are going to bounce. When, I don't know. But those are the areas I'm looking at. This is S&P 500. We actually hit this trend line right here. We might see a little bounce from here. You know, most likely that bounce is not going to do anything. If we slice through this right here, then most likely it's going to go right here, and then from there we will see. Okay. But overall, guys, everything is looking kind of crazy. Let's look at oil. Someone want to look at oil. Yeah, oil most likely is going to continue to go back down. Let me see. Yeah, most likely we're probably going to make another low with oil. I don't really see this thing going up again. We will see. But this is looking very, very weak. Gold is actually pulling back too. Last time I checked, gold was pulling back. Yeah, gold is pulling back too. So gold can actually, we made a double top at 1700. So you got to be careful right here. I think gold will roll over. Well, you probably roll over and go lower. Doesn't mean that it's not going to continue to go up, but I think gold is actually going to roll over. We will see what else, and that's about it. I didn't look at Tesla. Let's look at Tesla real quick. Tesla, yep, Tesla has the ability to go all the way back down like 400s. So we will see. We will see, guys. Definitely keep you guys updated. But if you don't know how to make money in this market, I'm not gonna say I feel sorry for you, but it's probably best to learn, because it's actually life-changing money. Okay, life-changing money. And of course, if you're starting in these type of environments, you have to, demo first, because the markets are wild, so you just can't go straight in. But at least learn the craft and learn how to, navigate through these markets. Because actually, I have one of my students. He emailed me yesterday. And guys, let me know if you guys can hear me. Testing 1 2 3. Can you guys hear me? A student of mine's emailed me yesterday because, like I said, I teach day trading and I teach swing trading. He's actually swing trading right now. He took a couple of trades on Bitcoin, and he took a lot of trades pretty much in the crypto market. And guys, can you hear me? Let me know, guys. Can you hear me? Hold on. Making sure you guys can hear me. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you are here watching me, hit that like button. Guys, can you hear me? I don't see you guys even typing in anything. Let me see. Let me see on my end. Okay, I hear you. All right, cool. All right, so so basically, yeah, I had one of my students email me yesterday. He been trading the crypto market, and I'm not really gonna say how much he lost. It's probably more than you guys probably ever make in 1 year. Okay. Probably, whatever you're making at your job, you probably not, you're probably not making that. So that's to give you an idea of how much he lost. Okay, in the 2018 crash in Bitcoin. But he actually messaged me yesterday, and he told me he made all his money back. All his money back from trading. Okay. So I'm very proud of him, and that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Once you understand what the market is telling you, okay, you can not only make back all your losses, you can be in a green. You can make profits. Okay, this could be not only a side hustle for you. This can actually be a career where you can do this full time. So shout out to him. I'm proud of him. But most of you guys really have to wake up. This looks ugly right here. Honestly, I wouldn't be buying. Okay, I know some of you guys want to risk buying here. Yes, we might find a low support right here. Might, but I wouldn't be buying because most likely we will continue to go down. All right, it's just what it is. Now, overall, guys, if you have any questions, hit those like buttons. Also, if you have any questions, type it in. I know some of you guys, looking at this market right here and saying that you're trying to blame somebody. Okay. You're trying to blame somebody. You're probably going to blame the coronavirus or something, right? global crisis, whatever you're trying to blame. But you have to realize it's not the coronavirus, okay? You should be blaming yourself, because I'm going to explain something to you guys. I told you guys before, okay? Just go back to my old videos, right? I said, guys, listen, we are in a bear market. Nothing is bullish about this chart, okay? And most likely we will go back to the 3K level. So we had a nice little sell-off today. It looks like most likely we're probably going to continue to go down, okay? Now, just because the coronavirus is here, okay, it gives the market an excuse to sell off. The market was going to sell off regardless of the corona or not, okay? This is why I'm trying to explain to you guys. The news don't mess up the charts. I know some of you guys, oh my gosh, the news messed up my TA, it messed up everything, it messed up my hopes, my dreams. No, this was going to happen anyway. Now it's just happening faster, guys. Okay, this chart is weak. I mean, this is just ABC stuff. Lower highs. The market's not strong. Some of you guys are so attached to your thought process or your beliefs, okay, to the point where you don't want to look at anything else, okay? You are saying it has to go to 100K, it has to go to 40K. It don't have to do anything. You don't control the market. All right? The market can do whatever it wants to. This is why I don't do long-term holding, because this is, this is it right here. Why do I want to be depressed for going on 3 years straight? Why? Okay? And it's going to be longer, most likely. Most likely, this is going to be longer and longer and longer. So why do I want to be depressed? Most of you guys went all in, so you're going to be depressed for years. This is why I don't do it. I'd rather make my money now. Give it to me. I want to make my money at the end of the day. That's why I specialize when I specialize in day trading. And you also can swing trade too. So you can make a weekly check, monthly check, daily check. You don't have to, worry about, oh my gosh, what if is Tesla going to go to 1,000, or is my coin going to go to 100K? Like, come on. But I'll talk about that later. Okay, I'm going to make a video about that, about long-term investing. But you guys have to wake up. The crypto market is not the same. It's very weak. Nobody is, guys. You have to understand. Nobody is buying. Okay. Nobody's buying. Nobody's using these coins. Bitcoin is not some gold where you just hold it. Okay, you're supposed to be using it. All right, so let's go back to some questions, and we're going to end this. We're going to end this real quick. Let's go to some questions, and we're going to end this. Hey Ben, Bitcoin going to 4K, yeah? Probably going lower than that. It's going to take a while, but it's probably going to go lower than that. What if I get a stimulus from the Fed? Bitcoin might react to that. I don't, bro. All these what ifs. What if that? What if that? I don't trade based on that. I'm trading based on the market, the chart, stimulus package. It's not going to mean anything if the market is weak. We looked at the NASDAQ already, okay? A stimulus package doesn't mean anything, because I believe we will most likely continue to go lower, okay? You have to understand that when the market is ready to when the market is ready to crack, it's going to crack, right? Eventually, we will get a bounce. Eventually, yes, we will get a bounce. Just because we get a bounce, that doesn't mean that's the bottom. So, guys, this is different now. Okay, this is not, You know, back in the days where you know we drop and then next thing you know we pop right back up. This might be different. This is a different feel to it. So just because they pump more money doesn't mean that it's going to last. All right. Yeah, we might get a bounce, but that bounce might not even, you know, last that long. We might just continue to make new lows. Okay. Just what it is. How it works. Things can't go up forever. Same thing with Bitcoin. Things can't go up forever. You guys said Bitcoin safe haven. I don't see it. What's up, Bobby? Finally get this sneak. Yeah, I'm about to get out of here though. I'm about to end this live stream. But overall, guys, you know, this be careful out here. Okay, be careful. I know some of you guys want to buy this dip. Just be careful, man. Honestly, I wouldn't be buying anything. I know some of you guys want to go all in right now because you think, oh, cheaper prices, lower. You know, like I said, at the end of the day, you can do whatever you want. I wouldn't be doing that. I think we have probably a possibility to go lower. Yes, we might bounce from these levels because we have support around here. That 6,000 level is a key level, especially for Bitcoin. That 6,000 level is a key level. So yeah, we might bounce from here. Yes, you are 100% correct. Okay, but I don't know if that bounce is actually going to how would I say it, going to last, right? If it, in my opinion, if it went down this low, okay, if it went down this low, what's stopping it to go down lower? Okay, we right here. We right here. We had what? We hit 55, so we right there. Okay, what is 4K? What is 3K? It's nothing. You know, 4K is one more day. 3K is 2 more days. Right? We right there. But like I said, we might bounce from here, and we will see how Bitcoin defend the 6K level. So we might get some choppiness around here. We will see. It probably will try to defend this 6K level, but I'm not trusting it. I need more signs. Let's see if I see anything here. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys tuning in. You know, honestly, the people that I really feel sorry for, it's not even the Bitcoin guys. It's the XRP guys, man. You know, it's the XRP guys. I really feel sorry for these guys because I know a lot of people personally. Not I won't say personally, but you know, behind the scenes, I know people that really invested a lot of money into XRP. I mean, pretty much all their life savings, and it's a sad situation that they had to go through this. This thing might get ugly. Most likely, probably going to continue to go lower. And you know, you have people that pump this thing every single day, give you good news every single day, and you know, it's sad. But like I said before, you have to learn from these situations and, you know, go from there. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Shout out to everybody that's here. Make sure you hit those like buttons before you leave. Yes, I checked the NASDAQ already. The NASDAQ is weak. Most likely we will continue. Eventually we will get a bounce. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow, but we will bounce. Okay, I do expect a bounce. But I also expect that bounce to get wiped out. It's probably not going to happen, you know, in a day or so. Probably going to, you know, chop around. Eventually we're going to chop around, but I do expect a bounce. But most likely we're going to wipe that bounce out. Because right now, I don't think the market is really pricing in what's going on. Like, you have Italy shutting down. You have these big corporations. A lot of these guys are shutting down. Airlines are literally like going down the tube. So a lot of this stuff is not even, I don't believe is baked in the charts yet. Okay, I don't even think it's baked in the charts yet. Yes, the market is going down a lot, but I still don't think it's enough. I still don't think it's baked in the charts. I still believe we have more downside. Okay, and it is what it is. But we day traders, we love this. We love this. I wake up every single day smiling, knowing that there's a lot of money to be made. All right, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Guys, make sure you take care of yourself. Shout out to everybody that's here. Be careful buying the dips. I know you guys want to buy the dips. Be careful. And that's about it. Make sure you improve as a person, educate yourself, and go from there. Talk to you guys later, and please, guys, have a great day.